Where did they come?
It was the car that touched down here. Never see anybody get taken.
Huh? That's the police.
It's not police. It's
Well, they're not in like an
a
ambulance.
fire truck.
They're just in a car.
It's like a chief.
Yeah. I think he's just coming to see that nobody died.
I wonder if that's that alarm was.
Yeah, it was a fire alarm, for sure.
Anything on the fire?
There goes some other kind of emergency vehicle out on the expressway.
Somebody probably crashed.
So yeah,
Huh?
if there was a
Somebody
car on
crashed.
that road, it's gone. There's no way.
Could be.
No, it'll just rain for the next 7 days. Not like this, it's just thunderstorms, right?
What if the storm chasers pull up?
They're 100% gonna pull up. But we're watching the newscasting off just now. Apparently that's the only reason they knew one touch shadow because they followed it out here. You should have believed them when they came all the way down.
I'm not saying I believe them, I just did not
Good
know.
child. Come on, child, back inside. We're gonna have WFAY in the morning.
Yeah, you can see all the debris better on the road.
Oh my god. This is crazy.
Marble is concerned.
He was mad.
As soon as it happened and y'all walked out, he fought me to not leave the room.